Hey guys, so today I will show you how to make your own aloe vera gel hair bars to regrow your hair, treat dry hair, hair fall, and itchy scalp. Now, aloe vera in my country is a known plant to help regrow the hair. It has been used for years as a natural hair fall remedy. Also, aloe vera helps nourish and strengthens your hair from root to tip. It is as well a great natural conditioner that can penetrate into the hair and scalp to hydrate the strands and moisturize the scalp, helping to alleviate inflammation, itching, or irritation. Now, this is all of the aloe vera leaves that I have left here, but what I will do is I will remove the thorny sides and then just peel off the skin to get the gel. And then I will use olive oil to this because this oil is amazing to use if you are dealing with dryness in both your scalp and hair. And this is optional, but I added in my favorite hair growth tea rinse here to boost the effectivity of this hair bar. Now, I'm just gonna put it all in the blender and then blend it until it becomes smooth like this. And then after that, I will put it in this molder, in this flower molder, so that it will take its form and then just freeze them. And this is what they look like right now. I like making this in batches and then just freezing them in the freezer and get to use them whenever I need it. Now, by doing it this way, you actually extend the shelf life of the aloe hair mask bar instead of just leaving it at room temperature. And by the way, you can add in more ingredients if you'd like to this. You can really get creative with it. But I simplified it and used ingredients that I already have and I know that will complement the effectivity of the aloe vera, since I'm aiming to cure dryness on both my hair and scalp. Now, as usual, I apply this on clean hair. I just find that it works so much better when I work on clean hair rather than dirty hair. So I am applying that to my scalp and all over my hair. This is actually great to use if you are suffering from dandruff or dry and itchy scalp as well, or you're just simply trying to regrow your hair. All right, so now I left that on my hair for 30 minutes max, and then I just wash it off with my second shampoo because I had to get rid of the excess oils of my hair. Now for the leftover right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in its molder and then store it in the fridge again and then just use it in the next time so nothing gets wasted here. So this is the result. This hair mask bars is always my go-to quick remedy if I'm trying to fix a dry scalp or dry hair. Plus, if I'm trying to regrow more baby hairs. Now, aloe vera has been, as I've said, a great hair growth remedy that I used to use along with my coconut milk before I started my hair growth journey, and even till to this day. If all of my ready-made hair mask runs out, this is my go-to remedy for regrowing the hair and also to fix any dryness that I'm experiencing on my scalp. Plus, this makes my hair super smooth too. And also, I like the cooling sensation that it gives my scalp. This is especially great to use in this time of year because my country is crazy burning hot right now, and I notice that my scalp and my hair gets dry really quick. So this remedy is amazing. So that is it, you guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and once again share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.